Hello, welcome back to the Simon YouTube channel. Today we have a piano here. Let's take a look. Let's make it together. Alright, first thing first, create a folder and name it whatever you want and open it in VS Code. I've already done this. We need an extension here called live server. Yeah. Install it. We will use it for running the HTML5 immediately. If you make a change, it will immediately apply it to the browser, to the file. Okay, let's make index.html. style.css and main.js. Okay. If you press Shift and 1, you will get this, and if you hit enter, it will make this boilerplate for you, and this is amazing. Let's call it piano. Let's import the CSS file, style.css, and finally let's import the JavaScript file, script src main.js. Let's test it if it's working or not. Let's get an alert here. Hey, and let's change the background to aqua. Okay. After you install the live server here, you can right click on HTML file and click on open with live server. Click on it. Yeah, it's working just fine. Okay. In this piano we have 21 white keys and 15 black keys, so let's go for the white keys. Let me just remove this alert here. Okay. White key, and we have to add two classes to this. One of them is key and the other one is white key. We need 21 of this white key, so yeah, we have 21 white keys. Let's add the black keys. And here we have black keys and also the class of key, and we need 15 of this key. Hit enter. Alright, inside of it we have to separate it by characters, but we will do it soon. Let's add the classes. Let me just we have to add IDs here. ID, this is 1, this is 2, and to the 21. Alright, let's add the characters here. We have C, D, E, F, G, A, B, F, G, A, B, and repeat it for the rest of this. Alright, let's go for the black keys. We have to add certain classes here for styling. Black 1, black 2, black 4. I will tell you why I'm going like this. You will find out in the styling section. Black 5. Alright, the HTML is pretty done. Yeah, this is all the HTML that we need here. Let's go for JavaScript. Alright, in here, the JavaScript file, we have to get all the white keys. So const white keys document dot query selector all and pass the class that we have defined, white key. And also let's get the black keys, const black keys document dot query selector all black key. Alright, let's import the sounds. I will put it in the description in the source file. You can just download it easily. Let's import it. We have sounds here. Okay. We have to loop through all the black and white keys and import the sounds here. We have black keys for the black for black keys. We have white keys. As you know, it's just simple MP3 files, and it's going from 0 to 14, and you will understand it why. Let's loop through black keys. Black keys dot for each black. Let's get the index, black and indexed. Alright, for each key let's add an event listener. Add event listener for click. Alright, for each key we have to define a sound. Okay, sound equals to new audio, and let's pass the path. Here we have to go to sounds folder. Here, sounds folder, and black keys. In here we have to pass the name of the file dynamically. So we pass the index here, index.mp3. Now we have sounds for each of these black keys. So let's play the sound. Play sound and pass the sound here. This is the function we have to create down here. So let's define a function. Play sound. It takes a sound here. Here we have to say sound dot pause, sound dot current time equals to 0, and finally sound dot play. Every time we hit on each key, no, it doesn't matter for black keys or white keys. When we click on it, it will play the song just once. I mean, when you click on the key, it will play it once. We have to pause the sound first, and then set the current time to 0, and then play it. let's go for the white keys. White keys dot for each white index white dot add even listener, just like the black keys. We have click here. Let's define a sound. What's the problem? Oh, let sound equal to new audio and pass the path here. Sounds white keys, and we have dynamic index here dot mp3. All right, and finally let's play the sound. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This is the entire JavaScript that we need. Let's go for the CSS. Alright, for the CSS here, we can define set the margin and padding to 0. Padding to 0, margin 0, and box sizing to border box. Okay, let's change the background here. Background 95 68 E4, and let's define the height is 100 VH, full screen. In index.html we have to wrap all the keys in a class called piano container. Now let's move all these keys inside of this container. Let's go. Yeah. Okay. Piano container. So we have to set the display to flex. We want to display it in a row. We want to display all these keys in a row. So we set the display to flex. Okay. Let's define a width 9 VW. Let's define a height 57 VH. Let's define a border 10 pixels solid and 63 4. We need a border radius 1 rem. Set the margin 0 auto to put it in the center. Let's change the position to relative because we need to add position absolute to the black keys to position them. And padding of 1 rem. And finally margin top to 3 rem. Let's see what do we have till here. Yeah, we have these keys here. Okay, so let's define a style for the key itself. The key, we have this class in white keys and black keys. We need to define a width of 2.5 rem, a height of 10 rem. Let's change the display to flex, align items to flex, and we want to put these characters and put it at the end of the key. Okay, and let's change the justify content and set it to center. And you can see, yeah, It's now in the center of the, it's in the center. Let's define style for white key. White key. We have a border 3 pixel solid 0 1 0 4 25. Let's change the background color to white and add a transition to it, 0.2 second for all. Let's take a look. Yeah, this is the keys that we have. Let's change the, let's define the styles for black key. Black key. Let's change the background to RGB 36, 32, and 30. Change the z-index to 1. Change the background to linear gradient. RGBA. (36, 32, 31, and 26%. Let's add the other one. RGBA 79, 82, 71, 8, and 86%. Okay. Let's define a height of 7 rems, width of change the position to absolute, top to 20 pixels, and transition 0.2 seconds. Oh, okay, let's see what do we have till here. Yeah, keys are working just fine, and we have to position all these black keys. We have 15 black keys here. We have to change the position. Let's see what do we have here. Okay, black 1. Let's define the left 46 pixel. Black 2, left 87 pixel. I added 41 pixel to this value. Dot black 4. Set the left to 169 pixel. Yeah. Black 5, left. Let's take a look. Yeah, it's positioning in the, yeah, it's in the right position. It's right in the center. Now let's define the styles for these keys here. Alright, I have defined styles for the black keys. Let's see what do we have here. It's completely in the right position. If this is not working for you, these values here, these values. If it's not working for you, just play with it till you reach the right value. Okay, and let me tell you why we have no black 3 here and black 7 here, black 10, black 14, black 17. This is because we have the third black key is hidden. Okay, we have no black key here. This is for the structure of the piano. And for this one, we have no keys here. You can check it with a real piano. So this is because of this. And I define a value here, 46 from the left, and add 41 pixel to this value, 41 pixel to this, and 41 pixel to this value for the third key, this one, this position, and add 41 pixel to this value here. It means 169 pixel, and you go just like this, add 41 pixel, add 41 pixel, till you reach the good result. Okay, enough talking, let's go and define the styles for hover and active for black key. Let's define the hover effect for black keys. Black key hover. Change the background to set background to linear gradients, 180 degree, 6%. Feel free to change any value here, no matter, it's just styling. Let's transform and translate by 20 pixels. Yeah, as you can see, when I hover over the black key, it transforms 20 pixel from top to bottom. Let's add the active black key active. Background. Let's just add this and change some values. 36, 32, 31, 26%. Now let's change this to something like this. Yeah. Let's change the cursor to pointer. Where is the key? Cursor, pointer. Okay. Let's add the hover and active style for the white key. Let's add the white key hover. Change the background color to RGBA 81, 182, 178. Border bottom to none, and transform, rotate 3D, rotate it by 20 degrees. Let's see. Yeah. let's add the white key, sorry, white active. All right. All right, it's working just fine. And let me show you something here. In here we have add event listener, click. If you change it to mouse enter for black keys and also white keys, let's see what do we have. Yeah, I'm not clicking, I'm just hovering over the key. You can change it to click or mouse enter. It doesn't matter. The next section is a bonus if you want to add keys. For example, when you press A and it starts the sound, you can watch the next section. It's bonus, but till here you build the piano. But if you want to add keys on the keyboard, you can see and watch the next section. Alright, for using the keys, first of all you have to import all of the keys from here. You remember we have added these IDs to the keys 1, 2, 3, 4 and 21. We have to import all of them, get element by ID and import each of the white keys and also the black keys. Here we have two event listeners, one for key down, it means press the key, and one for key up, when you release the key. Let's take a look at key down. Here we have to define a key. Add event listener, key down, we get an event here. If this e.key equals to A, it means when we press the A button or A key, we have to add a class to this key here. This one is this. This is 1, this is 2, 6. Yeah, it goes like this. And then we play the sound and import the sound here. The first sound, 0. Let's add another one. If we press the S, we want to add a class to the second button, to this one, and we want to play this sound here, okay? And all of the buttons. This is for pressing the button. Let's take a look at releasing the key. When we release the key, we want to, if I release the A key, I want to remove the white active class from it. What's the white active? It's this one. Background color, it's blue. It has no border button and transform. When we press the key, we want to add the white key. When we release it, we want to remove it. Yeah, as simple as that. Yeah, that's it. I put the source code in the description. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, the Simon YouTube channel, and I see you in the next video. If you want a tutorial, please comment it down below. I see you in the next video.